So in the previous session we have covered of things. I guess these comment sections. So we can add comments and things like that. Uh, but still we can't interact with these comments, right? Like let's say how a specific user like to a specific comment or dislike for a specific comment, things like that. So today I'll start implementing those features. So as usual, first I will do the client side, which is the JavaScript. So go to your project hierarchy and you need to consider about this one. So I will collapse these existing functions. Right. So let's say comment interactions. so, so first let's add likes. Okay. So it's almost similar for the post interaction. Okay. Something like this. So I think maybe we can make a separate JavaScript file which is more convenient, right? Because in the post also we had two different things. So let's create another JavaScript file known as comments interactions.js. Right. So I will continue scripting over here. So if you go to the post likes, we have add like function and add dislike option. The same thing goes to here as well, but if I just used as add like, it will be a problem because in the post we have the same function, so we need to somewhat different this function name. So I will name it as add comment like. Okay. Add comment like. So over here add comment dislike. Right. So now I have to go for the my rendering part, is our controller, comments controller. So in the rendering part, I have this one, comments like. So this is the one I need to call over there. Yeah. Instead of post dislikes. Okay. So just copy comment thing over here. And let's replace everything that is start with post. So post dislike. Right. So currently I don't have these functions implemented, so I will just remove those because those are AJAX requests to manipulate our database. Those are server side. I will explain those later on, but so currently we don't need those functions, but we need comment ID, right? Comment ID. So copy those. This. Okay, so I can manipulate the active class over here like this, but again this is an ID, right? Sorry, but over here this is just a class, so I need to call explicitly ID over here. So ID equals, which is this one, comment dash likes dash like this. So at until like this, then did we call our comment ID at our view? I don't remember. So let's check that out because we need comment ID. Yeah, thankfully we called that one. So for the comment interactions, no comments controller. So comment ID. Right, so that's for the comment like. So similar thing needs to be done over here as well. So ID equals comment dislikes, right, dash and comment ID, right. Then I need to call on click event as well with respect to this specific comment ID. So after an ID, let's go over here. So on click, so on click add comment like. So again you need to copy the same thing. So these are dynamically instantiated at the runtime on your web browser, which is pretty much good. So you can add any comments you like without no restrictions. Then second one is add comment dislikes. Add comment dislikes. So add this one. Right. Now I don't need this active class, so I can remove that thing. And this one is loading at the vShow view. So just go over there and we need to call our JavaScript over there. Go here. So I will name it as comments interaction. Here. So comments, name comments interaction. Okay, now just go over here, refresh it. Okay, now I can like, dislike for any button, right? No issue at all. If you check the inspection window and console, yeah, reference I is not defined. Go over here. Yeah, you don't need this one, and in the post instructions as well, you don't need this one. Those are just for testing purposes. Okay, right, now there are no errors, but if I'm dislike again, there is an error. It works, but there is an error. Is there? Uncode references I is not found. Inventory traction 38.5. Okay, that's some necessary character over there. Let's check our post instructions as well. Okay, there are no errors, right? Over here, yeah. Now no errors, and you can check what happens over here as well. Actually, what happening is that we are attaching our comment like function with the corresponding ID, right? So when it comes to JavaScript, it know what comment specifically we need to add an active, or what comment we need to add a dislike active, and things like that. Okay, but these are just a view, right? So whenever I reload it, these stuffs will be gone because we haven't manipulated our database at anywhere. So in the next video, I will cover how to manipulate our database to store these comment interactions. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.